Hello guys, welcome back to another OBS Pomodoro overlay timer. So in this video, I'll be showing you to a file, a Google Docs file, wherein I highlighted the values that you need to change in order for you to customly personalize your Pomodoro timer in OBS overlay. So let's get right on it. So first, now you can see here in my screen that I have this file. So all of these files, all of these values that are highlighted are can be edited. So let's see. So if I want this to be, I'll be creating a copy. Then let's see. For example, I want only to be I want only to be 15 minutes. Although 15 minutes, however, 8 sessions. Or let's say 30 sessions, however, 4. Or let's say 8. Let's say 4. So now, here are the editable values. So what would be 30 minutes in seconds? So that would be 30 minutes times 60 seconds would be 1/8. So I'll edit this. Note that if you change values here, it must match all those highlighted values below. So if I change 1/5, or you could just say replace function, replace. Find 1/5 and change it with 1/8. And next, replace all, then done. Now, I want to change my minute break into 10 minutes. So that's going to be 60 times 10, which is 600. So I'm going to go again to this find and replace, or Control H, find 600, I meant 300, and change it with 600. Now replace all, and bam, now we're done. So next, what we're going to do after changing the values here, we're going to copy paste, or Control A. Copy all these values, put it on a notepad. So here, we're going on the same process as the earlier videos that I've uploaded on the channel. So we're going to paste this. We're going to save as, let's name this Pomodoro V2 time change. 30 10 30 10. Then save as type all files, then add the HTML. Now let's exit, then click this. Now you will see here that it is 30 minutes and 4 sessions. Let's start. Let's see if it will work. So it works. So now we're going to input the HTML file on the browser. So let's temporarily dismiss this source. Let's create another source or browser. So let's name this Pomodoro 3010. Now we're going to select the same file. Wait, let's arrange it so you can see. Local file into Pomodoro 3010. Now let's just click OK, and voila. We have now the Pomodoro timer. Let's hide the buttons, and there we have it. Pomodoro timer. And let's see, let's interact. Increase, start. And there it is. It functions well, or it is working. So that's pretty much it. You could use this file, the document file, in order to personalize your minutes as well as your minute break. So that's pretty much it. I'll just put this link in the comment section and the description. That's it. Peace. Bye.